Ever wondered where your old fridges and washing machines end up? This is a world-leading waste electrical and electronic equipment recycling and disassembly line. Efficiency is everything here. A single line processes up to 200 refrigerators. More than just crushing. Through dual shaft shredding, vertical crushing, magnetic and air separation, we achieve full-scale disassembly. Plastics, copper, aluminum, iron, foam, 100% resource recovery. High-purity outputs return to the industrial cycle, reshaping every bit of value from the urban mine. Since our first self-developed set in 2010, over 150 sets now operate worldwide. We have provided disassembly services for 1.3 billion appliances. We are a trusted partner for giants like Haier, Midea, TCL, Robam, and China Resources Recycling Group. From holding multiple international patents to defining industry standards, WEEE Tech has always been a step ahead. Our waste electrical and electronic equipment recycling and disassembly equipment is not only CE and ISO certified, but has also been recognized by authoritative bodies as world-leading. Every patent and accolade reflects WEEE Tech's commitment to safety, efficiency, and green solutions for our global customers. With over 20 years of experience in the waste electrical and electronic equipment recycling and disassembly industry, WEEE Tech has gone through 7 generations of upgrades. In 2025, we launched the industry's first AI-powered sorting system for dismantled appliance components, further enhancing the purity and value of recycled materials. At IFAT Munich 2026, WEEE Tech invites you to explore the future of appliance circular economy.